Good morning, my loves.
Good morning.
I'm here with fearless co-leader Ivalani.
Hello.
We just did our run here into the beautiful Villa Borghese here. I want to show you one of my favorite parts about Villa Borghese. It's the statues, the beautiful statues and fountains that we come across as we're running through this gorgeous park. So what are we talking about today?
Like the leaders being, what were they called?
What?
The things that like push people. People that push people.
So yeah, we're talking about leaders being catalysts for change and activators, and we were talking also about every person being naturally creative, resourceful, and whole. Yeah. So in coaching and leadership, what like the foundation of any trained coach is that every single person is naturally creative, resourceful, and whole, which means that every person has all the answers inside of themselves.
It's like the quote. You have all the answers, you just have to get quiet enough to hear it.
Yeah, beautiful. I love that.
I have it above my desk so I can apply it to school.
I love that. That's awesome. I think that that is very applicable to the school of life too. And that's really cool, Eva, because I feel a lot of times when I'm coaching people or doing leadership development workshops that I am simply providing that space for them to have that quiet time to find what's going on inside of themselves. And so we coaches really strongly believe that every single person has all the answers inside of themselves. Like Ivalani has all of the answers inside of herself in her great big brain. It's just my job to help her pull them out to use in service to herself. So for people who are mother leaders who really embody that mother leadership style, we put aside all of our own personal wants and desires in order to pour into the people that are around us. So I like to think about this as a chemical reaction, and stay with me because it's like super simple
cool.
chemistry reaction.
I understand it, so it's probably simple.
Okay, so in chemistry, we have a reaction that wants to go, that's feeling like it wants to happen. And we got all of these ingredients over here that are gonna go in to make this chemical reaction happen. Well, every once in a while, there's like an energy bump that's needed in order to make the reaction actually go. So every once in a while, all the ingredients are here and they're ready, and the reaction is here and it's ready, but it needs a little bit of extra energy to make that actual reaction go. So that's what coaches and leaders are. They pour in that extra energy into that reaction in order to make the reaction go in the people around them. Okay, so
but this does not it's not making it so the thing happens. The coaches aren't the one that makes it so the thing happens. They're the ones that make it so the thing happens earlier.
Yeah, so that's an important thing, is that
Thank you.
we always believe that the reaction is going to go on its own. That thing, whatever is calling out to the person, is going to go on its own. We just help it to go a little bit faster and maybe smoother too into that reaction that's going to happen. So this is a really interesting place to go, because for those of us who are leaders and who really, like with that mother leadership style of really pouring ourselves into other people, we use our own energy to pour into the people around us for them, in service to them, for their reactions to go. And so then what happens is we often use up all of our energy and all of our resources because we're pouring them into somebody else for it to be their catalyst. Yeah, exactly. And so
Energy zapper.
yeah. So we'll find this a lot with people, especially who are those mother leaders. They'll get to the end of the day and they'll be like, where is the wine? Where is the chocolate? Like, let me get some more energy. And we will literally like try to inhale more energy in the form of food in order to have the energy to pour into the other people the next day.
Before
So-
you said in the form of food, I was like thinking of you sucking on a socket. It was like, ah!
Yeah, not electrical energy, exactly. So this is a really, really important concept to think about as we're going through life and as we're being those leaders is how are we also getting nurtured? How are we also getting energy put into ourselves so that we're not just constantly pouring and pouring and pouring and not having any left for ourselves? How are we being nurtured ourselves? So we are all naturally creative, resourceful, and whole. We are amazing, amazing people. And it's so much fun to be that activation energy every once in a while and see those really awesome chemical reactions happen. All right,
much fun.
have a beautiful day.
Bye.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.